How does a Google Analytics property work? Imagine trying to understand how visitors interact with your website or mobile app. You need a system to gather all that information in one place. That's where a Google Analytics property comes in. Think of it as a container that holds all the data from your digital platforms. Whether you have a website or a mobile app, each one gets its own property. It's part of a bigger setup called an account, which can have multiple properties under it. When someone visits your website, a small piece of code called a tracking code is activated. This code is embedded in your website's pages or app screens. It sends information about what the user does, like clicking buttons, viewing pages, or making purchases. In Google Analytics 4, the latest version, data is collected through data streams. These are like channels that send data from your website or app directly into the property. Once the data arrives, the property processes it. This means organizing the information into reports and metrics you can understand. You can see how many visitors came from different sources, like social media or email campaigns. You can also track how users move through your site, which pages they visit most, and how long they stay. Within the property settings, you can control what data is collected. For example, you can decide to track only certain actions or exclude some traffic. You can also set privacy rules to make sure you follow legal rules about user data. Connecting your property with other Google tools like Google Ads or Search Console helps you see how your marketing campaigns perform. From a marketing SaaS perspective, the property is where all campaign data is gathered and analyzed. If you run multiple websites or apps, creating separate properties helps you keep the data clear and organized. You can even set up different views or filters to focus on specific segments. Google Analytics 4 allows you to have up to 2,000 properties in one account, making it easy to track many digital assets. For larger companies, there are options like subproperties or roll-up properties to combine data across regions or brands. In simple terms, a Google Analytics property is like a digital filing cabinet. It stores all your user interaction data, helps you understand how your campaigns are doing, and guides your decisions for better performance. Setting it up correctly is key to getting accurate insights and making smarter marketing moves.